जी
मूविंग फॉरवर्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस की तरफ आते हैं। तो आईबीएस से सिल्क, कराची से शंघाई, पाकिस्तान से चाइना। तो क्या जाते जाते हुए क्या एक्सपेक्ट, मेरे अंदर का डिबेटर बाहर आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो
पूछिए।
जाते हुए क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी और वहाँ जब आप पहुंची चाइना तो फिर क्या रियलिटी थी और क्या रियलिटी चेक मिला, अगर कोई मिला?
Expectations versus the reality.
या सो आई थिंक मैं हर बंदे से whenever I've talked about China मैं सबको ये एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ कि it's the entire everything you know about China, most of it is just propaganda. People are so hospitable. मतलब मुझे ना सबने डराया हुआ था कि चाइना में you won't find halal food, people won't speak English, you will not be able to like, मतलब people are Islamophobic, they are going to like they're afraid of brown people, they're going to be मतलब harassed and everything. But nothing of the sort happened. In fact, I had people are so hospitable. I was treated like a celebrity for some reason. Every other place I would go, someone would like, can we please take a picture with you? People would take pictures with me, and they would like be very hospitable in the sense that if you're asking for directions, they would help you out. But the main thing was China ki technology. I did not understand it to the extent until I went there and I saw it. मतलब वहाँ पे I was worried about the language thing, but वहाँ translators are just so advanced कि you don't have to worry about कि आपको नहीं आती Chinese. And other than that as well, Chinese जो लोग हैं ना, they're very educated. So they majority of them know how to speak English. It's just that they're shy to speak English. तो ये चीज़ है कि वहाँ पे लोगों के साथ कुछ लोग अपनी इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करने में बोल लेते थे थोड़ी सी हिम्मत करके, पर अगर नहीं होता था तो they would type in Chinese and have it translated, या they would speak in Chinese and have it translated. But it was very मतलब वहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी का I knew China was like advancing in technology and they was like मतलब moving towards like becoming the global leader, but it was insane. Like I had robots deliver food to my room. I'm not even joking. I had robots deliver food to my room. I had like if I wanted, I was like renting bikes like motorbikes to go around. I was renting power banks. I was going around like in मतलब इतनी crazy. They were like मतलब जैसे हम hiking वगैरह करने गए तो वहाँ पे there was this rental shop which had like exoskeletons you could rent to help you walk and hike. So it was insane. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी ऐसी थी कि मतलब my mind was entirely blown. And then मतलब culturally मुझे ये था कि a lot of people had like there were two types of things मतलब I saw whenever I mentioned I was from Pakistan. So sometimes people would be like, oh, you're from Pakistan. So they were like a little put off, but they were never rude about it. They were like, oh, you're from Pakistan, not as interested. But some people who were interested, they were so happy. They're like, you're our brothers, you're our people, you are matlab, we are in solidarity. I was like, yes, 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 yes. And a lot of people were like just so kind. Please come, please have food, please join us, everything. And सबसे मजे की बात, China has a lot of halal food. There's so many Chinese Muslims. Yeah, the biggest misconception is China has halal food, especially in the bigger cities. There was abundance of halal food. Like मेरी अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी जो थी, शंघाई यूनिवर्सिटी गई थी मैं, तो शंघाई यूनिवर्सिटी का जो SILC वाला कैंपस था, उसके दोनों गेट्स के बाहर there was one halal restaurant at least. और मैं and this मतलब हम इतना frequently हम लोग का जाना हो गया था वहाँ पे कि they would know us. फिर जब मैं जा रही थी फिर I translated to them. I was like, I'm going to come back. You better remember me. So so it was a very friendly bond that we ended up having. They knew my order. They would always ask me like, do you want your regular? And I was like, yes, I want my regular, and I would always have that. So एक बहुत different मेरी conception थी कि and मतलब ये वाली जो सारी चीज़ हम सोचते हैं ना कि like people eat cockroaches and insects and like it's something that's like like they don't eat it as often. Yeah, it's not that often. मतलब it's something that you will मतलब there are some areas जहाँ पे वहाँ के stalls होते हैं, but people don't enjoy eating it as much.